Hi friends, let's send message to all of your friends on Facebook. And how you can do it? Okay, if you have installed an Facebook toolkit for Facebook, then you can go to the dashboard, click on here, and then go to the messaging tools, and then go to the send message to multiple friends. So, and if you do it manually one by one, so you will have lots of time, so you don't need to wait for lots of time, so you can do it easily. Okay, now I'm writing a message here. Please like my face. Such a face. This is my message. I just want to send this message to all of my friends. So how you can do it? If you want to send this message after 1 second, between interval in between 1 second or 2 seconds, as well as you want to set, I'm just going to set only 3 seconds here. And then if you want to send this message to all of your friends, then click select on all friends. If you want to unselect all, then click on here, and you can also select the specific some peoples. So I'm just going to send this message to all of my friends. Now click on here. Yeah, message is already sent because my message is sent in after 3 seconds. So until completed this task, then you have to wait. You can also see your progress, and when you refresh your profile, then click on here, then right here, and you will see message is sent automatically because I'm not moving the cursor of my mouse, so everything is doing automatically. So if you want to do this by using the toolkit for Facebook, then I think that this is the best tool for you. It's doing after 3 seconds one message is sending, after 3 seconds one message is sending. So you can send message to all of your friends with just only with one click. Okay, thanks for watching. Hi friends, now we are gonna talk about another section in messaging tools, what is called, if you want to send any stickers to all of your friends, then you can do it also. Just click on here. After install toolkit for Facebook, just click on here, top right corner, then click on the send stickers to all of your friends. Yeah, if you want to send any sticker to all of your friends, then click on here. I'm just going to send this sticker, so just write, and I just want to send this sticker after 1 second. So I don't want to send to all of my friends, just I want to select some of people's, just I want to send them only. So you can also select some people's, specific people, just click on the start sending stickers. Yeah, it's done. Sticker sending completed. You will get the notification also. Thanks for watching.